a person's circumstances also have a lot to do with how much risk they're willing to take. So, for example, if somebody's an introvert, um, it's much easier to stay home for the year. If somebody's an extrovert, at some point that becomes really uncomfortable and you have to take some risks. There's also people who are home with a family. Well, then great, you've got your socialization right there. But for people who are home alone, it can be very trying. So I think that's another reason why there's not a one size fits all. Everybody should be cautious. Now, I personally view masks a little differently because I feel like that's kind of a no-brainer. It's easy to do. We don't know exactly how much it increase your risk, but it's so easy. There's no reason not to do it. So I think we should all be wearing masks all of the time. And then I think it gets a little cloudier after that. Is it okay to go for a walk? Is it okay to, go to an outside restaurant? It's hard to know exactly where that line is. Certainly, gatherings, I think we should try to hold off on gatherings. As best we can, and adapt to the Zoom. But again, the longer it goes on, it's easy to postpone your wedding 6 months. But then if you're going to be getting pregnant, how much longer do you really want to try to postpone that? And then that has all kinds of other impacts. So I think that we really have to try to be very patient right now and exercise as much caution as we can, but recognize that it's taking a very big toll to do this, and hope to get these numbers back under control as soon as these holidays are over. I saw 17,000 for Florida yesterday, which is quite a horrifying number.